A federal appeals court has dismissed former President Donald Trump's request to revisit a jury verdict favoring E. Jean Carroll. This decision reinforces a previous ruling that upheld Trump's liability for sexually abusing and defaming the advice columnist. On Friday, the Second United States Circuit Court of Appeals in Manhattan declined to reconsider its December 30 ruling. This ruling affirmed Trump's responsibility for both the sexual assault and the subsequent defamation. Judge Miana Perez, appointed by President Joe Biden, remarked after the 8-2 verdict, "Simply relitigating a case is not an appropriate use of the en banc procedure." She further noted that such collective consideration is warranted only in cases of exceptional importance or when there is a conflict with appellate precedent. The journalist alleged that Trump, then a businessman, sexually abused her in a Manhattan department store in the mid-1990s. The $5 million award results from a May 2023 civil verdict where jurors found Trump had non-consensually touched Carroll and defamed her with his denials. Carroll came forward with her story during Trump's first term as president. Trump's legal team argued that the court had wrongly admitted evidence, including the 2005 Access Hollywood tape and testimonies from other women, into the trial. The two dissenting votes came from Trump-appointed Second Circuit judges Stephen Menashe and Michael Park. Menashe expressed concerns that the verdict was based on impermissible character evidence and lacked reliable facts, suggesting uncertainty about whether the jury would have reached the same verdict under normal evidence rules. 3 other available judges recused themselves from voting without providing explanations. Trump's team has also appealed a separate $83.03 million defamation judgment from January 2024, maintaining that his social media denials are protected by presidential immunity. Trump has denied knowing Carroll and labeled her allegations as fabricated. The defamation case is set to be reviewed by a 3-judge Second Circuit panel later this month. E. Jean Carroll and her attorney expressed satisfaction with the court's decision, stating, "Although President Trump continues to try every possible maneuver to challenge the findings of 2 separate juries, those efforts have failed. He remains liable for sexual assault and defamation."